Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel video lesson series. So we are starting new video lesson series of Microsoft Excel online video lessons. So Microsoft have started online based apps, means cloud based app on office.com website. That is pretty cool because you don't need to install any Office suite or any software to work on Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Sway, Mail apps, People apps, Calendar, OneDrive and Docs.com. You can just do it right on the office.com website. So that is cool. You can access it anywhere in any device. Like you can access it on smartphones, tablets, iPad, Android tablet, Windows tablet, and anywhere, anytime. You just need good internet connection and log on to Microsoft.com, Office.com and open Microsoft Excel or any app you want and just start working on it. That's it. So in this video lesson, we will be learning about Microsoft Excel. So let me give you an introduction of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, macOS, Android and iOS. It features calculation, graphic tools, pivot tables and macro programming language called Visual Basic for application. It has been a very widely applied spreadsheet for these platforms, especially since version 5 in 1993, and it has replaced Lotus 123 as the industry standard for spreadsheet. Excel forms part of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Excel has the basic feature of all spreadsheets, using grid of cell arranged in number rows, later name columns to organize data manipulation like arithmetic operation. It has battery of supplied functions to answer statistical, engineering and financial needs. In addition, it can display data as line grams, histograms and charts and with very limited three-dimensional graphics display. Microsoft allows 4 number of optional command line switches to control manner in which Excel starts. So this is about Microsoft Excel. In further video tutorial, we will start working on Microsoft and we will practically learn how you can perform various operations, how you can preserve your data, how you can make various kind of operation on your data and make it information. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.